Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor and the non-teaching vacancies notification from one of the PG college guys. And this PG college is having the excellent status by the University Grants Commissions, and we can tell that these are all the permanent assistant professor as well as the permanent and non-teaching vacancies notification. And for the assistant professor, it is academic level 10 category. So the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And for the non-teaching positions, the bachelor's degree is the eligibility. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. And if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this assistant professor recruitment notification from the PG college. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Content of the video. So it is the Arya Mahila PG college, admitted to the privileges of the Banaras Hindu University and the Grade A NAC, and a college with potential for excellence by University Grants Commission. So in this one here, we got the recruitment notification for the teaching as well as the non-teaching guys. So I will show you the complete details. Okay, so first we will go into the teaching job notifications. It is a complete advertisement regarding the teaching and the non-teaching positions. And then I will show you the clear-cut qualifications and all these things. Okay. So applications are invited for the Indian citizens on the prescribed form for the following teaching and the non-teaching positions in the Arya Mahila PG College of Varanasi. And here the subjects are philosophy, vocal music, AHC and the ARCH, English, B.Ed, Bengali, political science, economics, psychology, sociology. And here the number of vacancies are also mentioned, and here the academic pay level is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And the qualifications and each and everything also I will show you guys. Okay, so please wait. And coming to the non-teaching positions, lab assistant in home science, assistant upper divisional clerk and the junior assistant lower divisional clerk, and the lab attendants are required. And the number of vacancies as per the caste category and the pay scales or the pay levels also mentioned here. Okay, so in the prescribed format, essential and the desirable qualifications, pay scale and general, all these things are kept in the official website, and I will show you all these details also. The duly filled in application form complete in all respects along with the MICR demand draft of 1,000 rupees for teaching positions and 500 rupees for the SC, ST, PWD candidates. And for non-teaching positions, 500 rupees and 250 for these categories in favor of Arya Mahila PG College Varanasi. Must reach the college on or before 31st Jan 2022. Okay. And coming to the qualifications and all. So first we will check the qualifications of the teaching positions. Qualification of assistant professor in the discipline of arts, social science and B.Ed. So master's degree with 55% of marks. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And coming to the qualification of the assistant professor in the discipline of vocal music, same PG with 55% and the NET qualification must be there. And the revised pay scale in 7 CPC assistant professor. So here the pay scale as I already mentioned in the starting of this video. And the general instructions to candidates, few instructions are given here. So English 1 post for assistant professor in the category of OBC and lean vacancy. So some instructions are given here, so you may check down guys. And here the good academic record for all teaching positions shall be defined as not less than 50% of the marks at 10th, 10 plus 2 and not less than 55% of marks at the graduation level. NET, SLET or SET shall be mandatory. Okay, so these are the points given here. The shortlisting will be done as per the basis of the guidelines of Hindu Banaras University, and the shortlisted candidate shall be invited for the personal interaction and a similar presentation. That means there will be no written test and all. You will be directly shortlisted and called for the interview or else the presentation. Okay, so these are the details regarding the teaching positions, guys. And while coming to the non-teaching positions, the qualifications are mentioned here, so you may check down. Lab assistant home science, so 25,500 to 81,100, one post is there. Age limit up to 30 years. Bachelor's degree in the home science with 50%. Proficiency in computer operations. Okay. And assistant UDC, bachelor's degree with 50% of marks, and the typing speed must be there. Proficiency in computer operations, and 3 years of experience in LDC in the pay scale also mentioned here. And coming to the junior assistant, 2 vacancies are there. Bachelor's degree and minimum typing speed must be there. Proficiency in computer operations, and triple C or the diploma in the computer applications. And coming to the lab attendant, 2 vacancies are there. 10+2 and the triple C or diploma in computer applications is required. Okay. So these are the qualifications for the non-teaching positions, guys. And we check down. The duly filled in application form complete in all respects along with the demand draft in favor of, okay, has to be sent 31st Jan 2022. So these are all the clear instructions. And if you want to get the application forms means, so you may check down here itself, guys. Application form is separately given for the see guys, non-teaching application form is there, and application form for the teaching post is also there. So click on this one and download that one, fill up the details and attach the necessary documents, and then send to them on or before 31st Jan 2022. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day of yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want